So today we are going to see the first verse of the Bhagavad Gita. So Bhagavad Gita is a conversation of Krishna and Arjuna. Krishna answering all the questions and doubts of Arjuna and re-establishing him on the path of dharma. But this conversation of Krishna and Arjuna is taking place between the conversation of Dhritarashtra and Sanjaya. So the first verse of the Gita is a question by Dhritarashtra to Sanjaya. And we will also see in tomorrow's session that the answer to this question, Sanjaya concludes, like generally you have a question, in exam hall you get a question and you solve the question and at the end you write, therefore you summarize the answer. So like that, Sanjaya summarizes the answer in the last shloka of Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, 78th verse. So in middle, what all happens is the main conversation between Krishna and Arjuna. So let's recite this shloka 3 times because this is a very, very important shloka. It reveals to us the heart and mind of Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra uvacha Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samavetaayuyutsava Mamakah Pandavaschaiva Kimakurvata Sanjaya. Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samavetaayuyutsava Mamakah Pandavaschaiva Kimakurvata Sanjaya. Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samavetaayuyutsava Mamakah Pandavaschaiva Kimakurvata Sanjaya. So a lot can be discussed on this verse, but I'll tell you in brief what is the mind of Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra on one hand is extremely fearful. Why? Because the place where they are playing this match, the Kauravas and Pandavas, both of them have assembled for this special match rivalry on Dharmakshetra. And Dharmakshetra is obviously going to favor those people who are on the side of Dharma. And what to speak of Pandavas being on the side of Dharma, Dharma personified, the father of Dharma, Krishna, is personally present on their side. So Dhritarashtra knows it well, very well, that Dharmakshetra, just like a cricket pitch, if it is a batsman oriented pitch, it is favoring the batsman. And if you have one team of 11 people who are only batsmen and another team of only bowlers, obviously these batsmen are going to hit so powerfully. So Dhritarashtra is worried about to come at Dharmakshetra. But he is also worried about some other thing. Because Dhritarashtra means a person who is attached to kingdom and attached to post of modern day politicians. They will not give up the seat, they will not give up their position, their political position till the last moment, till the last breath. That is what Dhritarashtra is also. Dhritarashtra's another fear is Dharmakshetra. If my adharmi children, they get some dharmic qualities, will they do some samjhota? Will they come up with a deal that okay, let's divide 50-50? Because Dhritarashtra wants 100% for his own sons. And how do we know that he has that much attachment to his own sons? Because of the next line, Mamakah Pandavaschaiva. So he does not say Kaurava Pandavaschaiva. He says Mamakah because he considers Kauravas to be his own sons and Pandavas to be Pandu's sons. So Mamakah Pandavaschaiva Kim Akurvata Sanjaya. मेरे बेटे और पांडु के बेटे दोनों यहाँ पर आए हैं बैटलफील्ड पे, क्या चल रहा है संजय, क्या क्या हो रहा है, रिजल्ट क्या आ रहा है? You see, on one hand, when Pandu died, Kunti accepted Nakula and Sahadev, who were Madri's sons, as good as her own sons. But on the other side, you see Dhritarashtra, he clearly distinguishes between Mamaka and Pandavaschaiva. So Dhritarashtra is selfish, he is concerned with I and mine. So today the entire world is revolving around this conception of what is mine and who am I and mine. Everything is centered around this selfishness. Like nowadays the modern terminologies are also all like that, like iPhone and iPad and not IT jobs and IIT and IIT. So much I is involved in today's generation. So Redmi. So this is the selfish and partial nature of Dhritarashtra. But when we chant the holy names of Krishna, then the speciality is holy names of Lord convert us from selfish individuals to selfless souls, and we become selfless servants of Lord and everyone connected to the Lord. And the holy name itself is a prayer that, my dear Lord, please make me a servant. My dear Lord, please give me some service to you and service to your devotees. So let us all chant together. Next tomorrow session, we are going to see the answer to this question asked by Dhritarashtra. So Dhritarashtra's question is that what is happening, Sanjaya, on the battlefield of Kurukshetra? Because Kurukshetra is not just Kurukshetra, but it is Dharmakshetra. So we'll see what Sanjaya answers tomorrow.